Archbishop w'ekkanisa ya Uganda Stephen Kazimba Mugalu niwe yabemberamu okubuulira kwesande y'erizooba akashozi Ruharo St James Ruharo Cathedral aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara. Oru rwaba ryo rutaayayo rwa Archbishop obu arikwirira ekiro ky'okuhuumura yakozesa omugisha ogu okushaba Abakristaayo kongera kukwatanisa abaana benda entunguuka.
Always to know whatever you have belongs to God. I pray that you know you are blessed to bless.
Okwirana nk'Abakristaayo Archbishop nagirangu ni kikuru munonga.
Today, God is calling us a health-centered church. It's the church which is united to bless others.
Obuleebezi bwa Nkore bwasema Archbishop abukabura okwaruka ekkanisa ya Uganda ekyo nikyo kibabaasiise okwika ntunguka omu project studies zimwe na zimwe.
Atahamu kagira omwanya omu mbuga ya Bishop twenda kwakira kandi n'okushemererwa. We appreciate your coming and we thank God for giving you good health and strength.
Obuleebezi bwa Nkore bwahendera buri kusiima Archbishop w'ekkanisa ya Uganda habw'ebyona ebyabakoriire nk'ekkanisa n'ente enjungu 10 ezi zizire omu bahaasa kandi n'abandi beebembezi kuruga omu bigombe n'ebitongore n'abamusiima omu muringo gw'omutaano.
Going to hand over to you 10 Frisian House. Kandi ekyo nikimanyisa buli mwene miliyoni nk'eshatu.
Tweyanzisa nnyo, tweyanzenge. Bannange, kanneekiwacwane n'obusigadde mubunyongere. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale.
Archbishop w'ekkanisa ya Uganda n'okwija kuhuumura omu butongore omwaka 2027 okwezi kwa munana 2015. Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon aho muri Mbarara.